Jamiat-Ulema-e-Hind, the largest organization of Muslims in India, has approached the high courts of Delhi, Maharashtra, and Gujarat to challenge upcoming controversial movie, Udaipur Files. It said, disrespects the holy prophet of Islam and maligns Muslims. President of the Jamiat, Maulana Arshad Madani, who is also the principal of Darul Uloom Deoband, a leading Islamic seminary in the country, confirmed that the outfit has approached the courts of law to demand banning the film. The film, directed by Bharat S. Srinate and featuring Vijay Raz, Rajneesh Duggal and Preeti Jangiani in key roles, is said to be based on the murder of Kanhaiyalal, a tailor from Rajasthan's Udaipur, on June 28, 2022 for supporting BJP leader Nupur Sharma for her disrespectful remarks against the Prophet of Islam. Sharma was suspended by the BJP after her blasphemous remarks led to global backlash. The suspended right-wing leader has been maintaining a low profile with the Saffron Party and likely to revoke her suspension for now. Madani said that the Jamiat-Ulema-e-Hind has approached the high courts of Delhi, Maharashtra, and Gujarat to ban the film. He said the film's trailer includes the controversial statement made by Nupur Sharma. He said, had not only set the entire country on fire but also caused adverse impact on the friendly relations of our country with other nations, damaging the image of our great nation at the global stage, and then forced the BJP to expel her from the party. Madani said the trailer presents objectionable remarks against the Prophet of Islam and his holy wives, which could disturb peace and public order in the country. The film portrays Deoband as a hub of extremism and uses extremely inflammatory language against its scholars, ulema, he added. The film completely maligns a particular religious community, potentially fueling hatred and seriously threatening mutual respect and social harmony among citizens. It also mentions sensitive and pending issues like the Gyanwari Mosque, which are currently under consideration in the Varanasi District Court and the Supreme Court. The Jamiat chief said such content was a violation of the fundamental rights granted under Articles 14, 15, and 21 of the Indian Constitution. On behalf of Jamiat, lawyer Fuzail Ahmad Ayubi has filed a petition demanding a ban on the film to be released on July 11. The petition has made the central government, Censor Board, Johnny Firefox Media Private Limited and 10th Corps parties, which are associated with the production and distribution of the film. The petition states that abusing the right to freedom of expression, scenes, which have nothing to do with Islam, Muslims and Deoband, have been shown in the film. It is clear from the trailer that this film is inspired by anti-Muslim sentiments, the Jamiat said.